dramatically. A new study from the CDC says that suicide rates are up 30% since 1999. In 2016, about 45,000 people died by suicide.
Eyewitness News reporter Jeff Platt explains the local efforts to combat suicides and the results we're seeing. Jeff?
Well, Dave Rochelle, part of it is understanding the problem. Of those 45,000 people who died by suicide, less than half of them had any sort of history of mental illness, and that's why Kern County is taking a very proactive approach. Kern County Behavioral Health has a proactive approach to suicide prevention.
But we've seen this wave of suicides coming.
Even before this latest CDC report came out, the county has been implementing many new programs and partnerships to reach people who are suicidal before it's too late. Director Bill Walker says the results are there.
We are saving lives every day by doing interventions with school systems, by doing interventions with our hotline, by doing interventions in our psychiatric evaluation center.
The county's Zero Suicide Initiative is exploring several approaches to preventing suicide. They're working with hospitals, doctors, and police to get people help. Still, Walker believes more can, should, and will be done.
I wish I could say we're as prepared as we could be, but I'm very confident we're prepared. And we're going to be more prepared and continue to work for these issues.
Walker says the key to suicide prevention is community support and awareness, something he's seen more of lately, but believes more is still needed.
This is not something to not talk about. This is something to talk about. This is something to question. Friends question friends when they're worried about them. That shows love, not worry. That shows love.
Kern Behavioral Health is even supporting an app which can actually help you determine if someone in your family or your friends needs some help dealing with suicidal thoughts. The app is called Suicide Safe. It walks you through the questions you need to ask. Also, a reminder, the local suicide hotline number is 1-800-991-5272. Live in studio tonight, Jeff Platt, Eyewitness News.
Dave Gonzalez, imagine finding leeches on your children after a day of cooling off at a local pond.